Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the actual media, open Pinterest, find the pin, and download the original video or GIF. Once done, check the file format and resolution so your device accepts it. MP4 or MOV works best. You should also note duration and file size because long or huge files can be trimmed. If Pinterest limits download, use the app save or export option on your phone. Make sure you have a stable connection before moving to device-specific steps. Now you prepare the clip for a wallpaper. Open a lightweight video editor or converter and trim to a 5-15-second loop so it won't drain battery. Then convert to H.264 codec at 1080p or your screen's resolution and set a moderate bitrate. This preserves quality while keeping file size small. Crop to your device ratio, 16:9 or device native, to avoid black bars. Once optimized, export as MP4 or live photo. Finally, set the optimized file as your live wallpaper. On Android, open the live wallpaper picker or a launcher app and select the MP4. Apply to home or lock screen. On iPhone, convert the MP4 to a live photo and set it under lock screen wallpaper, enabling live photo playback. If the wallpaper won't play, make sure the file format and duration are supported, that the app has storage and wallpaper permissions, and reboot the device before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.